On this episode, we'll talk about weight loss medications and your sleeve. We'll also talk about intermittent fasting, and we'll talk about a sleeve cookbook. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Alvarez with Endobariatric.com and welcome to episode 162 of the AskDrA show. Thanks so much for being here, and listen guys, I need your questions. I need questions for the show, and if you enjoy the show, if you get benefit out of the show, I just ask two things. One, you participate, maybe sending some questions my way using the hashtag AskDrA or through my personal Instagram account that, by the way, you're missing out on a big giveaway. It's happening right now on my Instagram account. And the other thing I need you to do is to share with friends, with family members, with maybe a good Facebook group that you may think patients or friends or family members may benefit out of our content. All right, the more people we can help out, that is why we cut off time out of our day, gather all the questions, and try to help you guys. So why not help more? The content is here for you guys. Let's jump into the questions.
Being nearly 2 years out for gastric sleeve, are there any safe weight loss medications you would recommend to help keep the hunger at bay?
All right, so if you're thinking about weight loss medications after your sleeve, after 2 years out because you have hunger, I would suggest, number one, try to avoid them. I really don't like them. So I would try to suggest maybe some nutritional support, maybe some nutritional help on helping you how to divide calories throughout the day, and that way you stay away from hunger and being hungry because you're doing something wrong. So that's number one. Number two is, let's say you want to jump on board on weight loss pills. Again, I won't recommend that, but let's say you want to go see your doctor, you need a prescription for this, and see what weight loss pill is more adequate for you, because it's not one size fits all. It has to be prescribed depending on your conditions or condition that you have, and if you have high blood pressure, if you have diabetes, how active you are. All these questions come into play once you decide to get a prescription for a weight loss pill. I would try to avoid them, try something else. You've got a good tool, make use of it.
How do you feel about intermittent fasting with VSG surgery?
So there's a big tendency right now of the fasting and intermittent fasting. Can you do it? Yes. I would suggest caution. You take an acid blocker or a proton pump inhibitor like omeprazole, something to protect your sleeve while you're doing these fastings. All right. Does it work? Yeah. I mean, there's good studies of this, and it works to kickstart and help you going. You could just Google the term intermittent fasting, and there's a whole bunch of stuff out there. Just protect your sleeve, all right? You're not just a regular patient. You had a previous sleeve surgery. You want to take care of this sleeve down the road. So an acid blocker, an acid reducer helps you while you're doing this, and you may give it a try. Why not?
Is there an Endobariatric cookbook out there with members' favorite recipes?
Okay, so if you're looking for a cookbook and a sleeve cookbook, do I recommend one? A few years ago, we came to this idea of putting out a cookbook, but nowadays we have video and we've got social media. And I would recommend you guys follow Endo Foods on Instagram. So that is a product that we have for you guys, thought for weight loss surgery patients, specifically talking about the gastric sleeve. And we have our nutritionist there showing you guys what to eat, how to cook, making better food selections for you and your sleeve. And it's at Endo Foods on Instagram. All right, so that's it for today. That is it for episode 162. I'm Dr. Alvarez again. Send me your questions, guys. Hashtag AskDrA through my personal Instagram account. I'll see you on the next show. Take care and God bless.